Da-na-na-na-da-na. It's a very sideways POV. But hey, work with what you get. Or work with what you have. Not prepare for what you don't. Or prepare for what you... Yeah, whatever. But yeah, this thing is getting a massive upgrade compared to what it has now. I mean, we're doubling its RAM, giving it a graphics card. I don't know why I just clicked those. We're also upgrading the CPU to the supposedly best model that I could find, at least, for that generation. Because we're doubling the RAM up here. Two 2 gig sticks against these two 4 gig sticks. So these two, get them out of here. We don't need them anymore. Sorry, we're gonna do 8 gigs total, just in 4 gig stick RAMs. 4 gig modules. DIMM modules. If you don't know how to do RAM, go watch the video where I did that. You want to be, finding out where the slot is based off of the little nibby boys. You want to feel the groove with the stick of RAM. Don't push too hard when you're feeling for the groove. When you find it, this camera battery's about to die, but when you find it, that's when you want to line it all up perfectly. You want to touch the ends. You want to get the corners. You want to just press one after the other. Very sexual. Very tension. Speaking of sexual tension, let's talk about the PCI E-card. Yeah, this makes games run way better. But this means that it's also going to be a bit more of a trick for me trying to get it in. Never mind. I just did it first try. Alright, next, we're removing the cooler. There we go. Anyways, but yeah. So I already cleaned off all the thermal paste. Mainly because I'm a man of mystery. And I just do shit in the night to prepare. Anyways, we don't need this i3 2100 anymore. It is useless. But this i7 2600, well, hello, sailor. Alright, we'll just go ahead and, carefully fandangle it in. Close that boy. Use some of this conveniently placed, thermally conductive. I'll just spread out some of that putty. Now we'll just squeeze them down a bit. Alright, where'd that screwdriver go? Here it go. Now, when dealing with the cooler, you always want to be in an hourglass formation. You see, bonk, bonk, boobity bink, You're going in some sort of formation that is not just square. Because the more square you have it, the harder it is on a certain corner. Which, just feel for the tension. If that tension gets too tensiony, it gets too springy, then don't continue. Anyway, this is done, and that's it.